How to start a video chat on Snapchat. Step 1. Open Snapchat. This looks like white ghost on a yellow background. If you aren't already logged in, tap Login to do so now. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi if you don't want to use a lot of data. Step 2. Tap the chat icon. This is the text box icon on the bottom toolbar, to the left of the camera. You'll see a list of all your recently messaged friends. Step 3. Tap a friend. This will open your chat log. Step 4. Tap the camera icon in the top right corner. This will be next to a phone icon. A pop-up menu will open. Step 5. Tap video call. This is the gray button. Your video call will begin. As you wait for your friend to pick up, they will be able to see your video. Step 6. Navigate the video call. You'll see icons at the bottom of the screen. Camera. Toggle your camera off and on. 2 turning arrows. Toggle between the front camera and back camera. Microphone. Mute or unmute your microphone. Speaker. Toggle speaker on and off. Smiley face. Select and use a filter. If you want to hang up, tap the red phone icon in the top right corner. Step 7. Answer a video call optional. When a friend starts a video call with you, you'll see their video, but they won't be able to see you yet. Tap Join to join the video chat, or tap Not Now to dismiss the notification.
Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.